Hi guys, how are you all? I will introduce you to a super food that I was able to find it in our garden. I will show you how to make a special toren which is rich in omega-3, magnesium, phosphorus and iron. Toren with the porcelain and amaranthus. This is known in Malayalam kupachira and chomanna chira. To make thoran, you need to chop these into small pieces, just like that. Thoran is a coconut-based dish. Both vegetables came from our garden. I don't know how it ended up growing in this yard, but this is a very nutritional vegetable. So I have the parsley chopped up, red amaranthus all chopped up too, 4 cloves of garlic, all half a piece of onion chopped up like this, and I also going to use coconut. Coconut is the main ingredients we needed for this. Then salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, and we needed 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any oil you have. Okay, into the hand mortar I already added the garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, then just grind it up. Into this to add the coconut, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, then grind all these up in the hand mortar. So the coconut and garlic, cumin seed and turmeric powder all blended. So this is the main mixture for thoran. You can add any oil you like. I am going to use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The half chopped onion goes here. I want to fry this first. Into this I'm going to add some salt. Since the onion is kind of cooked, we can add the porcelain into this. So after frying the onion, I put the porcelain, just blend it up, let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Into this, I'm adding the amaranthus. So now I added all the amaranthus leaves into it. I'm going to blend it up with the porcelain and just mix it up. Let it all cook for another 2 minutes. So thoran should be dry since these are leafy vegetable, more water coming out of it. So never add water. The thoran should be dry. Into this coconut I grinded earlier. The grinded coconut is in the middle and I just covered it all up like that and put a lid over it for 2 minutes. I'm going to remove the lid. After removing the lid, you can see this is all dried up. There's no water. Now you just have to make sure all that coconut is blended with the rest of the leafy vegetables. You may want to taste it and see if it has enough salt. Otherwise, you can add a little bit more salt. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more salt. That's about it. Then blend it up one more time. Step by step, I showed you how to make the porcelain and the amaranthus thoran. Ready to eat with the steamed rice. Or you can eat it with the tortilla or chapati or roti, whatever you prefer. But I would like to eat rice. We South Indians cannot survive without rice. Since this is a leafy vegetable, you don't want it to cook for too long, so I'm going to turn off the flame. I have the steamed rice with the thoran. Also, I have some fish curry with it.